Look, Harry, here comes the drilling machine.
It's so tall. What does it do?
It drills deep holes in the ground to make space for strong poles and play structures.
It's like it's tickling the ground. That big truck looks like it's carrying a giant spinning bowl.
That's the concrete mixer truck, which mixes cement, sand, and water to make concrete.
It looks like a gray milkshake. Can I drink it?
No, silly. That's for the playground's base. Strong and safe.
Splat, splat! It's filling up the ground!
Now the road roller flattens everything, smooth like a pancake.
Roll, roll, roll! It's dancing on the road.
Nice and even, perfect for little feet to run and play.
Another truck, Jessica. What's this one doing?
That's a water tanker. It sprinkles water to keep the dust away.
Splash, splash! It's raining on the ground.
And look, trees are growing on the sides.
Wow, green leaves everywhere. It's turning so fresh.
Now we're adding the walls and dust bins to keep everything clean.
That's smart. No littering in our playground.
Exactly. And here come the benches.
Nice! We can sit and eat snacks here.
Here comes the trailer truck, bringing all the fun.
Ooh, I see swings and slides.
They're placing each one carefully. Tire swing, belt swing, ball swing.
And the merry-go-round. Whee! It spins so fast.
Don't get dizzy, Harry. And here's another truck with even more playground parts.
It's like a parade of fun machines.
Look at the workers. They're setting everything just right.
This is turning into the best playground ever.
All done, Harry. The playground is ready.
Wow, Jessica. Swings, slides, trees, benches. It's perfect.
Yes, it's beautiful and ready for kids to laugh and play.
Let's go swing first.
Race you to the merry-go-round.